In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear liftgate support on your Nissan Versa. I have a hood prop installed from the tailgate to the deck. This is just so when I take off this strut, the gate doesn't fall on me. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 bolts. Using a 12mm wrench, we're going to loosen the nut on the tailgate. Install the stud into the tailgate. Leave this just 1 or 2 turns loose. We're going to install the bracket. Tighten those down. Tighten down the stud. If you installed one, go ahead and remove your little prop, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.